Hello. In my previous video about mining rig on AMD R9 video card, I was mentioning the motherboard on which the system was based. So it was Gigabyte 970 and it includes two PCI Express slots, 16 pins. So on this system I'm running just one graphic card, one AMD R9 390, and the plan for today is to upgrade this system with another RX470 graphic card, also by AMD. What's good in this card is that this card is less power consumption. It draws just 110 watts, and the hash rate is the same as on the R9 graphic card. So I'm going to install it into the system and get the double hash rate to the current hash rate of 27 average megahash, but the power consumption will be less than 400. Then 400 by 2, it will be 400 plus 100, I think, so it will be 500 in total. And also another thing that I'm going to get is another motherboard by ASRock. It has just one PCI Express slot, 16 pins, but it's got 5 additional PCI Express slots with 1 pin, and it's got the Molex additional power connector, so the motherboard has enough power when the graphic units draw a lot of watts. And to start this system with, I'm going to set up a graphic card by another provider, by Nvidea, and the graphic card will be GTX 1070. Well, this is also a very beautiful card. It's got 6 and 8 pins connectors. It's quite good because the connector will not burn, because the power goes with 2 cables. And also good point is that it draws just 150 watts, but I'm not sure what will be the hash rate for etherium, so I will test it and upload the video here next time when it comes to my place. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.